Hello children, I hope all of you all are doing well and keeping good. So we will be doing the second part of chapter 6, the Volcanic Mountains. We will start with the Volcanic Mountains. As the name suggests, the formation of these mountains are associated with volcanic activity. With eruptions of volcano, the magma is thrown out with great force. This magma accumulates around the vent. And forms a tall cone-shaped mountain called Volcanic Mountains. Okay children? So what is a volcanic mountain? When the magma is thrown out with great force, it accumulates around the vent. Okay, that is known as the volcanic mountain. So we can underline from here, with eruption of volcano, the magma is thrown out with great force. This magma accumulates around the vent and forms a tall cone-shaped mountain called Volcanic Mountain. Kilimanjaro in Africa, Fujiyama in Japan and Mount Rainier in USA are volcanic mountains. Okay. The advantages of a mountain. They are various advantages of a mountain. Now let us see the advantages of a mountain. Okay children, there is a little bit of problem over here. Okay. They are storehouses of water. Many rivers originate from the glaciers in the mountains. They have a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests provide various products like fodder, fuel, shelter, timber, nuts, fruits, etc. They are an ideal and popular place for tourism because they are full of scenic beauty. Some mountains have rich mineral resources. Sports like skiing, rafting, paragliding, etc. are popular in mountains. Mountain rocks are used as building materials. Now children, these are the various advantages of a mountain. One very simple, that is, it is the source of water because river flows through this place. There is a rich variety of fauna and flora. From the forest, what do we get? Fodder, fuel, shelter, timber, nuts, fruits. Because of the scenic beauty, we all go out to see the mountain areas, also for its climate. Okay. Plateaus. A plateau is a highland with steep slopes, a large flat summit which rises abruptly from the surrounding region. Plateaus occupy large portion of the earth. The Deccan Plateau in India and plateaus of Brazil are very old. Now what is a plateau children? It is a highland with a flat. It's unlike a mountain, it doesn't have a peak, it is flat. It has got a flat tabletop. Okay. The Deccan Plateau extends up to thousands of kilometers. Plateaus can be found in almost every continent. They are also called tablelands. Now children, plateaus are highlands with flat tabletop. It's a tabletop mountain. Okay. There are three categories of plateau. Intermontane plateaus. These are the largest and the highest plateau in the world. They are enclosed by mountains. The Tibetan Plateau in Asia, also called the roof of the world, is the highest plateau. Now children, the question can be what are the three categories of plateau or what are the categories of plateau. So you can write this. So you will write over here important, that is I.M.P. Okay. So number one is intermontane plateaus. Second is continental plateaus. These plateaus are usually surrounded by large plains or water bodies. For example, plateaus of South Africa, Western Australia, Peninsular India, etc. It is the continental plateaus. Lava plateaus. These plateaus are formed by volcanic eruptions when lava from volcano cools down over a large area. For example, Deccan Plateau and Malwa Plateau in India. Okay children, now where we find the plateau? Plateau is in the middle portion of India, that is the southern portion, Maharashtra side, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, those sides we find the plateau. Okay, so we find the Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau. Now let us see what are the importance of the plateaus. Plateaus are quite rich in minerals. As a result, mining sites are located near plateaus regions. The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mines. In India, reserves of iron, coal and manganese are found in Chotanagpur Plateau. Waterfalls from high plateaus are utilized to generate electricity. In India, Hudru Fall in Chotanagpur Plateau and Jog Fall in Karnataka are such waterfalls. Lava plateaus are rich in black soil, hence they are good for growing crops like cotton. So in black soil we can grow cotton. Now we come to the plains, children. Plains are large stretch of flat land. So what are plains? It's a large stretch of flat lands. Most of the plains are formed due to the accumulation of alluvium brought down by the rivers. Now what is alluvium? Alluvium is the soil, the most fertile soil, and which is brought down by the river. Alluvium is loose soil or sediments such as clay, silt and sand. So what is alluvium? It is loose soil or sediments such as clay, silt and sand. So we can underline from here, from alluvium till sand. Generally, plains are very fertile. Transport is also easy in plains. This is the reason that they are overpopulated. Some of the plains made by rivers are found in Asia and North America. In India, such plains are formed by the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra. So children, you can underline the rivers which form the plains are formed by rivers are Ganga and Brahmaputra in India. Now the importance of the plain. Plains provide an ideal location for agriculture since the alluvial soil deposited by the rivers is fertile and suitable for growing crops. Plains are ideal for the establishment of settlements, for example, roads and buildings can be made easily here than in any other landforms. Transportation is easier in plains. So children, we know why it is populated in the plains, because due to the transportation and easy availability of water. And the land is fertile, so people can grow crops. Humans and landforms. Humans have settlements in all types of landforms with different lifestyles in each. While life in plains is easier with the availability of fertile land, life in the mountain is very difficult, as it is difficult to make houses and roads here. Humans also live on plateaus and in areas prone to natural calamities. Now what are natural calamities, children? Natural calamities are the disasters like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, flood, drought, tsunami, etc. However, availability of scientific information and accessibility to advanced technology has helped to minimize the risk. Humans are irresponsible about the place where they live. They pollute the environment and make living conditions worse. Due to the careless attitude of human beings, plains are becoming more and more polluted. Land pollution in plains is a cause of major concern, and if not dealt with, it can result in widespread diseases as well as damage to the environment. Now children, when we travel, we see a lot of garbage lying here and there, isn't it? So that is one cause that we should say no to plastics, because they are one of the biggest reasons for polluting the land. Okay, so we should take care of our land and where we are staying. Children, these are the keywords which you should learn: elevated, accumulation, divergence, convergence and vent. Okay, and from this we come to an end of this chapter. So study carefully. Once again, we can, I'll just repeat the land pollution portion. This over here, there can be a question: what is land pollution and how we can prevent land pollution? Okay, and why is human responsible for the land pollution? Okay, so you can write it in your own words. So thank you so much children. Take care. Bye.